Utie Oha Echi Ponkno. Needs FM.
A lot of people raise concerns, say more can say any partisanship, but a majority of the people no so say it was nice NDC for the dimwakotene pa womodo so ewo no more can the fa.
How do you know if someone is NDC and nothing about 2,000 plus in conform by? How will you tell say don't want to NDC? NDC for more marks, and NPP forward different marks, and then APC forward different marks, and you see this is the kind of dirty, petty politics. Yeah, it is not good. First of all, we are all Ghanaians first before any political party. So when we come out with issues, the first thing you should ask yourself is then, your government, are you there to represent only a particular party? Therefore, when everyone speaks, you have to first of all look at the legitimacy of the issues they are raising. Are you legitimate? Yes or no? If yes, then there is no need looking at who is talking about it, because first of all, the person is a Ghanaian. So in as much as individuals from Mumbai, they may have voted one political party or the other, it does not change the fact that they are Ghanaians. Or did they wear party attire at the demonstration? No, nobody wore a party attire. So for those issues, my sister, forget it, because just petty politics now, and grew a mess now. That's situations now. It's the same dirty politics they are trying to play around it.
They say, more share government and him say the Moye, Obetuana Mobi.
First of all, you see, there are various ways. The people don't necessarily need to write to you. Say, okay, Nyama Wina, yet me a Gadansana. What if or raising these issues? They are not learned, and I said they are not educated enough. How do you expect them to do that? So when you realize that even after Omuya Ghanaian, so you have to open up forums and engage them in this kind of conversations. That is what we are expecting from leadership. Every sector of the economy, they should open up conversations. And let us see, say, policies now, over the last 30 years, the NDC, the MPP have made policies. Is it towards a sustainable development? When you go to parliament, it's here, and your MPP from parliament, NDC was parliament, and MPP is in parliament. So if NDC thinks that this campaign is about a regime change, it is about a systemic change. Or when problems now, they have even contributed more to the problems because we have had more years.
Brown, do you think, say, ye or may as a funtum bibia afra, as a ya mixing bibia all the sectors, ya frabient, as a confused into which area to tackle first and the next?
Yes.
Do you think, say, there are some sectors be I was say yetimi a tackle no with full vim? Yetimi a ye and san you move to the next because I said ya and I say ya funtum bibi afra.
Yes, my sister. One, the experts there are academians the various universities and some various sectors of the economy. When we open up these conversations, to me, after conversation, I'm bringing out the best solutions, which are saying. Now, for us to run as a country, we need to be able to generate much and also produce much. What is our strength? Enter a year for economic recovery plan. What has been the interventions that have been done or that have been done in agriculture over the last 30 years? What has been the best interventions we have seen over the 30 years, apart from sharing of fertilizer and other petty ones? Which I say we need to sit as a country, put up an economic charter which will include a recovery plan, and there are experts who can bring this on board, not necessarily a political actors. The FACO Parliament, no, let's engage the people around in their sectors. They will be able to tell you the best things to do. We are able to have the raw materials, say cocoa beans and so on. What have we been able to produce? We are only interested in exporting. The cocoa industry now here about 131 billion US dollars now. It is only 6% that goes to farmers across the world. Most of the farmers are found in Africa. And Ghana is playing an instrumental role in that. What have we done to be able to gain much in that chain? What I said, you see, these are the kind of conversations that your person leadership, you should be fair and honest to the people who voted them. Open up conversations. Your policies, your policies, every vote keke. No, we should think about the country in the next 20 years, in the next 30 years.
Brownson, where does you? Yeah. Adachi Brownson, a member of the Fix the Country demonstrators and one more equoye demonstration kasiepa ewo meyi emo one more drama home something be near me being koye iti one more sabai sa buying and yes one de subo ebo nkwa abanya abako nyina san hye ya o ma ya to nyina no ye hunu ba bi efa
Utie Oha Echi Ponkno Needs FM.